Good evening, Mark here in the Fan Cave. What I have today is a King of Fans original knockoff, brand new in the box. I don't see a model name on here. Oh, Polish brass. Okay, I don't like Polish brass. I prefer Czechoslovakian brass, but I digress. Now, this is made in Taiwan. As you can tell, it looks, at least by the picture, very similar to an original. Then you lift it up, and that's definitely not an original. So, you want an original, but you only have a regular, you don't have a joist to screw it in, you only have the junction box, well, that'll be a good alternative. Now, the blades here are very similar shape to that of an original, completely sealed up, so that fresh blade smell. It still has a little serial number or tag on there. Put these aside for now. Has the instruction manual and the lifetime limited warranty. Alright, so let's take a look at that. Knife over here somewhere, but it seems to have disappeared on me. That's alright. Open that later. There's no real need even to open it because. Alright, now. It actually looks more chrome than brass, maybe just the lighting. Very Hunter-esque looking blade irons. Balancing kit. Ball and socket mounting bracket. Oh, an actual metal mounting bracket, okay. And this really does look more like a chrome finish than polished brass. Oh, it includes pull chains, nice wooden, or a wooden pull chain. Okay, let's unbox and see what this has to offer. I mean, it's heavy. It's not original heavy, but it's, it's definitely got some heft to it. Appears to be a spinner motor. Here's the tag on the back. Okay, so I'll show you some more close-ups of the box here. That's a takeoff. I had stuck a couple of my stickers with my address, so I didn't want to inadvertently dox myself, so I pulled that off. I guess it's from Mr. Howe Warehouse. Alright, so yeah, I got this years ago, and I don't remember if it was, I don't know, maybe it was on Craigslist? No, it wasn't on Craigslist. I think it was on eBay or something. I think it was just an impulse buy, but anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I will be installing this momentarily, and for whom it may concern, it's 8:13 p.m. July 6th, 2023. Thanks. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.